Welcome to a special edition of My Arlington TV News. I'm Jay Warren. Your city leaders and departments are working to make sure that you stay safe and have the latest information as we work to stop the spread of coronavirus. Here is the latest as of Monday afternoon. Tarrant County has announced 57 COVID-19 cases. Tarrant County Judge Glenn Whitley tightened restrictions over the weekend to help slow the spread. Under the updated declaration, more businesses have been required to close, including bars, gyms, salons, and retail stores that are not selling essential goods. Grocery stores, pharmacies, gas stations, and office buildings are allowed to stay open as long as people practice social distancing while inside. And you can still pick up food and order delivery from restaurants, but as you may know, dining in is off limits. To see the full list of what's open and closed, all you have to do is visit arlingtontx.gov/coronavirus. Many Arlington grocery stores are taking special steps, in fact, to make sure that seniors can shop easily and avoid larger crowds. Walmart, Target, Costco, and Tom Thumb all have early hours for seniors only. We've put that information on the screen for you as well as on our website. Now, social distancing and practicing good hygiene are still the best ways to protect yourself. That means washing your hands often, covering a cough, and most importantly, if you don't feel well, stay home. Tarrant County has established a special hotline to answer all of your coronavirus questions, including how to get tested. That number is 817-248-6299, and those calls are being answered now 24/7. And visit arlingtontx.gov/coronavirus for all the latest news here in your hometown. We're also sharing updates on all of our social media pages, so be sure to follow us there. Thank you for doing your part to stop the spread of coronavirus.